Welcome to the in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of seconds ago. As can you see what's going on. As can you see, I can unblock my device with my face now, and now I'll make 5 of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast and how useful this unlock method is on our Infinix Hot 11. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5. As can you see, the face unlock method works really fast. I can unlock my device less in 1 second, so I just suggest you to try the face unlock method on this device. So just if you don't like some unlock methods like the pin code or patterns, you can use the face unlock here. That's work fast. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.